Welcome everybody with our first part in this new safety subject, personal protective equipment or PPE. The first part for today, iron face protection equipment. Personal protective equipment is the hazard control measures and tools. But you should know that PPE is the last choice in hazard controls because this is the least effective tool. Who need iron face protection PPE? As per OSHA standard, iron face protection PPE is required for the following jobs: carpenters, electricians, machinists, mechanics, pipe fitter, sheet metal, tinsmiths, assemblers. Also needed for welders, sawyers, grinding machine operator, plumbers, chemical process operator, and laborers. Potential hazards that cause iron face injuries. 1. Dust, dirt, metal or wood chips entering the eye from activities such as chipping, grinding, sawing, hammering, the use of power tools or even strong wind forces. 2. Chemical splashes from corrosive substances, hot liquids, solvents or other hazardous solutions. 3. Objects swinging into the eye or face, such as tree limbs, chains, tools or ropes. 4. Radiant energy from welding, harmful rays from the use of lasers or other radiant light, as well as heat, glare, sparks, splash and flying particles. 5. Natural as per the effect of weather conditions. Iron face protection should be having the following conditions. 1. Ability to protect against specific workplace hazards. 2. Should fit properly and be reasonably comfortable to wear. 3. Should provide unrestricted vision and movement. 4. Should be durable and cleanable. 5. Should allow unrestricted functioning of any other required PPE. Iron face protection PPE should be comply with the following standard. ANSI Z87.1-1989. Search for this standard in your iron face protection PPE. There are 5 main types of iron face protection equipment. Type 1, safety spectacles. Type 2, goggles. Type 3, welding shields. Type 4, laser safety goggles. And Type 5, face shield. Let's describe all these types in details. Type 1, safety spectacles. These protective eyeglasses have safety frames constructed of metal or plastic and impact-resistant lenses. Side shields are available on some models. Type 2 goggles. These are tight-fitting eye protection that completely cover the eyes, eye sockets and the facial area immediately surrounding the eyes, and provide protection from impact, dust and splashes. Some goggles will fit over corrective lenses. Type 3 welding shields. Constructed of vulcanized fiber or fiberglass and fitted with a filtered lens, welding shields protect eyes from burns caused by infrared or intense radiant light. They also protect both the eyes and face from flying sparks, metal spatter, and slag chips produced during welding, brazing, soldering and cutting operations. OSHA requires filter lenses to have a shade number appropriate to protect against the specific hazards of the work being performed in order to protect against harmful light radiation. Type 4 laser safety goggles. These specialty goggles protect against intense concentrations of light produced by lasers. The type of laser safety goggles an employer chooses will depend upon the equipment and operating conditions in the workplace. Type 5, face shields. These transparent sheets of plastic extend from the eyebrows to below the chin and across the entire width of the employee's head. Some are polarized for glare protection. Contact us with these platforms anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press like, subscribe our channel, and activate the bell to receive news and updates.